Making multiple door entries quickly. Go to the product configurator and select the desired product line. Click on the labels of the door properties that will have variables like door width, height, finish color, etc. A quick entry field will show up below. When you are ready, enter the property values for your first door. Configure a few more doors by clicking the green copy icon and modify the properties as needed for each row. When you are finished, go back and set all the common properties for your doors from the fields and drop-down menus or image collections provided. Then click the Save icon button at the top to save your configurations. They will now all appear in your estimate that you can access and change at any time.